Welcome back to Destiny Trip, the channel where we explore the most beautiful destinations and give you the best travel tips to plan your next adventure. In today's video, we're looking at 4 of the most stunning countries you should visit: Greece, Turkey, Dubai, and Switzerland. Each of these places offers something special, from beaches and history to modern luxury and breathtaking natural beauty. Let's begin our journey. Greece, the land of islands, history, and blue seas. Greece is one of the most beautiful countries in Europe, known for its crystal-clear blue water, white houses, and ancient history. It offers a perfect combination of relaxing beaches, delicious food, and historical sites that are thousands of years old. Greece is also one of the most affordable travel destinations compared to other European countries, especially during early summer. Santorini is the most famous Greek island, known for its stunning sunsets, romantic views, and cliffside hotels. The island is perfect for couples, photographers, and anyone who wants to enjoy peaceful moments overlooking the sea. The white buildings with blue domes create a picture-perfect atmosphere that you can't find anywhere else in the world. Mykonos is the perfect destination for people who enjoy nightlife and beach parties. The island is full of beach clubs, music events, and luxury hotels that stay lively until sunrise. It's a great place for young travelers, friends groups, and anyone who loves energy and fun. If you want history, Athens is the best city to visit in Greece. The Acropolis, the Parthenon, and ancient temples take you back to the world of Greek mythology and old civilizations. Walking through Athens feels like walking through a history book. Crete and Paris are ideal islands for budget-friendly travel. These islands offer beautiful beaches, traditional food, and a calm environment without the high prices of famous tourist spots. They are perfect for families, solo travelers, and people who want peace. The best time to visit Greece is between April and October, when the weather is warm and the sea is perfect for swimming. Turkey, culture, history, food, and affordable luxury. Turkey is a country where Eastern and Western cultures come together in the most beautiful way. It's famous for its rich history, amazing food, warm atmosphere, and extremely affordable travel experience. Whether you want beaches, mountains, shopping, or cultural sites, Turkey has everything. Istanbul is the cultural heart of Turkey and one of the most unique cities in the world. You can visit landmarks like the Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, and the Topkapi Palace, which all represent centuries of history. The Grand Bazaar is one of the largest markets in the world and is perfect for shopping for spices, souvenirs, and traditional Turkish items. Cappadocia is one of the most magical places on Earth. The hot air balloons that fill the sky during sunrise create an unforgettable scene. Staying in a cave hotel is a unique experience that you cannot find in many countries. The natural rock formations and valleys feel like something from a fantasy movie. Antalya and Alanya are the best areas for beach vacations in Turkey. They offer hundreds of all-inclusive resorts where food, drinks, and entertainment are included in the price. These cities have beautiful beaches, warm weather, and clear blue water. It's one of the best options for families looking for a comfortable and relaxing holiday. Pamukkale is a natural wonder famous for its bright white terraces filled with warm mineral water. The place looks like frozen waterfalls and is one of the most photographed locations in Turkey. Turkey is one of the best countries for travelers on a budget. Food is cheap and delicious, hotels are affordable, and transportation is easy. The best time to visit Turkey is between April and June, and from September to November. Dubai, modern luxury, adventure, and desert experiences. Dubai is a city that represents modern luxury, innovation, and world-class attractions. It is one of the safest, cleanest, and most developed cities in the world. Dubai is perfect for people who love shopping, skyscrapers, beaches, and adventurous activities. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, and the view from the top offers a breathtaking panorama of the city. Dubai Mall, one of the world's largest shopping malls. The Palm Jumeirah is a man-made island shaped like a palm tree. It is home to luxury hotels, private villas, and beautiful beaches. It's a great place for tourists to explore and relax. One of the best experiences in Dubai is the desert safari. You can enjoy thrilling dune bashing, camel rides, sandboarding, and a traditional barbecue dinner under the stars. The desert atmosphere is calm, beautiful, and unforgettable. Dubai Marina is a modern waterfront area filled with skyscrapers, cafes, and restaurants. It is a great place to walk, relax, and take beautiful photos. Dubai is a perfect winter destination because the weather is extremely pleasant between November and March. Switzerland, the most beautiful nature in the world. Switzerland is known for its breathtaking natural beauty, clean cities, and peaceful lifestyle. If you love mountains, lakes, forests, and fresh air, Switzerland feels like paradise. Interlaken is one of the best places for adventure sports in Europe. You can try paragliding, skydiving, and boat rides while surrounded by lakes and mountains. The area is extremely scenic and perfect for photography. Zermatt is home to the Matterhorn, one of the most famous mountains in the world. It's a great destination for skiing in winter and hiking in summer. The village is car-free, which makes it peaceful and clean. Lucerne is known for its stunning lake, wooden bridges, and old town architecture. It is one of the most beautiful cities in Switzerland and is perfect for relaxing and sightseeing. Zurich and Geneva are modern cities surrounded by natural beauty. They are clean, safe, and full of cultural attractions, museums, and beautiful streets. Switzerland is perfect for honeymoon couples, nature lovers, solo travelers, and anyone who wants a calm and relaxing holiday. It is beautiful in every season, green in summer and snow-covered in winter. These were the best countries to visit: Greece, Turkey, Dubai, and Switzerland. Each country offers something unique, from beaches and history to luxury and mountains. Tell us in the comments which country you want to visit first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Destiny Trip for more travel tips and guides. See you in the next video.